fist is work as a square nail puller, a bottle opener, and a hex drive, and of course as a hammer. This is Craftal 22813 puller, ideal for mounting and dismounting internal or external circlips. Adapter for rounded materials you must have at your workshop. Screw extractor for broken screws, and it adapts with a drill. This L-shaped tool works for dismantle screws in different position. With this airbag now you can lift and adjust your furniture very easy. This tool is made for effortless weed removal. This tool is amazing for trimming around guardrail posts and similar obstacles. Make marking process very easy with this. This is a universal wrench that handles bolts of any size. This pipe cutter attachment cuts 4 times faster and make your job easy. And this collecting dust hour of drilling process. Technology making relaxing at work is easy when you have the chairless chair with you. This Ford seat is something else. Write in the comments what you think. With such a powerful washing station, germs just don't stand a chance. This hook is a versatile tool. With it you can take items from the ground while you in elevated position. This fire drones are definitely on a whole other level, don't you think? This tool is useful not only for crimping but also as a priming tool, as it combines an electric drive with universal chores. This tool is flexible and perfect for tight spaces. With this device you'll be more comfortable working with wood, metal, drywall, tiles, PVC and other materials, plus you can create your own collection of blades and sanding. This tool is compatible with cables ranging from 18 to 50 mm in inner diameter and allows working with conduits, junction boxes, sockets and pipes from 4 to 200 mm in.